Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we have a fantastic find for you: Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner. This product has been making waves in the world of floor cleaning, and it's considered one of the best hardwood floor cleaner concentrates out there. Stick around as we dive into all the details. First things first, let's talk about what makes Aunt Fannie's Hardwood Floor Cleaner stand out from the rest. The Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner is an all-natural, plant-based solution that's perfect for anyone looking to maintain their hardwood floors without harsh chemicals. It's not only effective but also environmentally friendly. One of the standout features of this product is its ultra-concentrated formula. You only need to mix half a cup of this solution with 2 gallons of water. It can be used with mop buckets, floor cleaning machines, or spray bottles, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you have solid, engineered, bamboo, manufactured, or laminated hardwood floors, Aunt Fannie's has got you covered. There's no residue left behind, and you don't even need to rinse after cleaning. Safety is paramount, especially when it comes to our homes. Aunt Fannie's Hardwood Floor Cleaner is safe to use around kids and pets. It's even dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic. It's earned an EWGA rating for your peace of mind. Now, let's talk about that scent. Aunt Fannie's leaves your floors with a refreshing, bright lemon scent. No more lingering chemical odors after cleaning. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some users have to say about Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner. So, why should you choose Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner over the competition? With its natural plant-based formula, ultra-concentrated design, and safety for your family and pets, Aunt Fannie's is a top pick for keeping your hardwood floors clean and fresh. That's a wrap on our review of Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Hardwood Floor Cleaner. If you're in the market for a reliable and eco-friendly hardwood floor cleaning solution, this is definitely one to consider. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep those floors shining with Aunt Fannie's.